We have
So,
read a normal
let me talk with
house.
ma'am and then I will inform you on the HRM. It is compulsory for everyone today to attend the HRM.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
All your
and it
shoes and uniform related queries will be solved in the HRM today. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Give me 1 minute.
Excuse
Yes, please.
me, ma'am, today we can pay the fees.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Give me 1 minute.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I will not be able to join tomorrow because I am coming
Tomorrow.
back to Surat.
Tomorrow you will not able to join, right?
Yes.
Okay, noted. Okay, students, now let's start the class. As you know that we are doing the multiplication sums. Yes, we have done 4-digit multiplicand and the 4-digit multiplier also. Now we will move to the story problems, word problems. So can anyone give me the story problem based on the multiplication? Please raise your virtual hand. And can anyone tell me what is the concept, in which case we have to do multiply? Because in exam, when the story problem is come, when the paper is set, it will not come that they will not give you that this is the multiplication sum. You have to identify from the given problems that this is, yes, this is the multiplication story problem. So can you give me some tips and the ideas that how we can find out that this is the multiplication sum?
Ma'am, of any digit.
Yeah, any digit. And the language also. I want to see the language of the story problem. Yes, please.
Ma'am, we have to write in our notebook.
Huh. Yes, tell me, Priyak, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Uh, the one apple costs rupees 30. 30.
Hmm. So, cost of one apple is rupees 30. My board is clearly visible to you all, or it is light?
Ma'am, it's visible properly.
Okay, let's just take, let me take the marker. Hmm. Cost of one apple is rupees
30.
30.
How much
So,
cost of how much cost of 12
so
apple?
we can say find the cost of
12
12
apple.
apples. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, what is the language? The cost of one is given to you, and you have to find the cost of many. Cost of Arnav, please sit at one place. Please push and you lower down your hand. I will call your names when I want to ask. Okay. So here the cost of one is given, and you have to find the cost of many. Then in this case, you have to always do the multiplication. When you have value for one and you have to find for many. Hit turn on your camera, please. You can write this question and start solving, students, in your notebook. Now the second point comes, how to write the statement in the story problems. My dear children, there is no need to learn the statement. All the statements you have to find out from the question only. The first statements, like first two statement or one statement or three statement, will depend on what is given to you. Mohammed, mute yourself, please. स्टार्टिंग के स्टेटमेंट्स जो होते हैं इट्स डिपेंड ऑन व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू हियर हाउ मेनी स्टेटमेंट विल बी द स्टार्टिंग स्टेटमेंट्स How many statement? Tell me.
Ma'am, 2.
The two will be the total statements, right? Two statements will be the starting statement and third statement will be your answer, because two things are given to you. One is cost of one item and the second is find the cost for the 12 items, and the third you will be getting the answer. So all the statements you have to find out from the question only. So you will say cost of apple, cost of one apple equals to 30. Cost of cost of 12 apples. No, you will say number of apples. Here the
Ma'am,
number of apples are,
ma'am, that cost of one apple rupees 30 that we have written.
that now you are going to write the solution. This is the solution. So
So we
first
have to
statement will be,
again write.
the first, this is the question and this is the solution now. The cost of one apple is rupees 30. Number of apples are 12. So third statement will be total cost of 12 apples will be 30 multiplied by 12. What is the answer, students? Find the answer and tell me.
Ma'am, 360.
The answer is rupees 360. Or you can do the long method. 2 zeros are 0. 2 threes are 6. Put the 0. 1 zeros are 0. 1 threes are 3. The answer is 360. Rupees 360, because the price you are finding out. Let me take the attendance.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, I have a query.
Please ask.
Ma'am, if we were having a class today,
Hmm.
so I joined at 3, 9:25,
Hmm.
but it was showing no one is here. You are the first one. So today morning was the computer class. So
My dear, I am not aware what was happened. I will ask to the ma'am and will inform you in the HRM.
Yes, ma'am, today there was no class of computer. We
No
joined.
problem.
yes, ma'am. Whole
And
35 minutes we can't join in the meeting.
I don't know, beta, the reason behind this. Let me ask from Jyoti ma'am and we'll inform you in the HRM. That's the reason I'm telling you to join the HRM compulsory for your doubts related to the school uniform as well
Excuse
as.
me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
I will not be able to join the HRM because
Why?
I'm going to school to take my uniform and all.
Okay. Yes, Meet will. Can I erase the board, students?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Meet, are you ready for the next
Yes.
question for multiplication? Okay. Confirm. Can I erase the board?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Please write fast. I'm going to mute myself. Please write fast, students.
Ask the
Ma'am, you have not written rupees.
Excuse me, ma'am. Is there class tomorrow? Excuse me, ma'am. Is there class tomorrow?
Ma'am, done. No, ma'am, writing. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, writing.
Oh, still writing?
Yes.
Still writing. I have to erase, bacha. I have to erase now. Past, Bhakti. Can I erase the question, Bhakti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Meet, give me the second question.
Ma'am, after me, can I give the third one?
Haan, I will give you. Okay.
Ma'am,
Meet, give me.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, one toy car is of 60 rupees.
One toy car is rupees 60. Okay.
How many toy cars will be 45?
How many will it will not come? What will be the price of
What will
45
be the
cars?
price of 45 toy cars?
Or you can say find the cost of 45
45
cars.
toy.
Okay, this way you can frame. How many means आ जाएगा कि आपको how many cars निकालना है, right? So can you students write the statement for the second one? Start doing the solution. And what will be the first statement? Tell me.
Cost of one toy car is 60.
And second statement?
Number of toy cars 45.
45. What will be the third statement?
We have to
Total
multiply
cost of
total cost of 45
45.
toy cars.
I want these answers from all the students. I know you can do. Prayag, they are doing. Kush can do. What about the Janya? What about the Laisha, Varinya, me? These are not coming up with their queries. And Ahana. Yes, Ahana.
Ma'am, can I say the next one?
But first, let everyone do this because I need the space
Ma'am,
also to erase.
after me, I said to give the question.
Kush will give me. Let me take the attendance. Lower down your hands.
No, after Kush I can.
But I will give you chance once I will finish this. Varinya, turn on your camera. Mohammed Patel, turn on your camera, please. I don't want behind the screen. What are you doing? Varinya, are you writing in your notebook?
It is okay. Like this, I read it.
Yes, neatly, yes.
Ma'am, the answer is 2,700.
The answer is
2,700.
So everyone written the statement also for the second one. Janya, you have completed the statement for the second one. मैंने second का statement नहीं लिखा है. You have to write the statement by your own.
Ma'am, I have written.
And children, please take a note of it when there is a story problem. And if you don't write the statement, if the question is of 2 marks and you only solve the question and not write the statement, I will give you only 1 mark. Because half of the marks are for the question and half for the statement. If it is a 4 marks, you will get 2 marks for the solution. 2 marks I will deduct for the statement which you have not written. Am I clear? So both are equally required, statement as well as the solution. So here the statement will be cost of
Done.
one toy car. You will write small so that it will come toy car 60 and number of toy cars 45. Last statement will be total cost of 45 cars. When you multiply 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are
30.
30. 4 zeros are 0 and 4 6 are
Ma'am, we have to write
Ma'am, 24.
24.
4. And please add them.
2,700.
So
Yes,
you have to write rupees 2,700.
Yes, ma'am.
This way you have to do the complete solution of the story problems. Yes, Kush, give me the next. Can I raise the second question only, not the solution?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You can either.
After Khush, can I Yug?
Who is saying no?
Ma'am, I'm Kavisha.
Not written the question also, Kavisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write fast.
Ma'am, after Khush, can I give Yug?
After Kush, Mir Virani will give. Then I will see who will give. First, let them two discuss.
Ma'am,
And
can
yeah, please discuss, please make some related with school, related with different things, related with students, related with the public people, not only the cost of item. Okay, multiplication आपको कहीं जगह करना पड़ता है, बहुत सारी जगह.
Ma'am, can I give?
Suppose if I say 1 day is having 24 hours, find the number of hours in 20 days, 48 days, right? So multiplication help you in different situation also, not only finding the cost of an item. The weight of one ball, one football ball is that. What will be the weight of this much football balls, right? So related with different situation of your real life. Mohammed Patel, come back to your place. Yes, Priyag.
Ma'am, like this also we can make like Earth rotations. Earth rotation takes 360 days or this much days.
In
How
a
many
year.
10 days it can do? It can take. Ma'am, can I say the third one
Also
now?
you can make.
Ma'am, it is good and reading.
Yes, good. Okay, I'm going to erase now, Kavisha. Mute yourself, please. Yes, give me Kush. Third.
Rahul can drink milk in 180 seconds.
Very good. Rahul can drink milk in. Rahul can drink a glass of milk, or है ना?
Yes, a glass of milk in 180 seconds.
Glass of milk in 180 seconds. Okay.
How many glasses of milk will he drink in 5 days?
A glass of milk in 180 seconds. How many will they? Then it will be very long question, bacha. Multiplication and division will be both.
Okay.
5 days means 180 seconds means 63 minutes में एक glass करता है. So first of all you should know तो 24 hours में कितने ड्रिंक करता है, एंड देन यू विल फाइंड फॉर द 5 days.
Yes, so it has to be division. So how many glasses of milk can he drink in 16 hours?
Okay. So first you should know he is drinking, Rahul can drink a glass of milk in 120 seconds. Means
Ma'am,
120
it is
seconds equals to
180 seconds.
180 seconds. 180 seconds equals to how many minutes?
3.
3 minutes में 1 glass.
Yes.
And 3 minutes में 1 glass. So 1 hour में कितने glasses?
1 hour, how many glasses? So can you write the question?
I
How
think
many?
don't doubt. First we will discuss this.
Okay.
Ma'am, in 1 hour he can drink 180 glasses.
1 hour में.
No, wait a minute.
The language is little difficult to understand. Can we change this?
Okay, ma'am. So I'm saying the cost.
Suppose you can say the salary of a person. Monthly salary is this.
But
Rahul earns this much amount.
Ma'am,
Okay.
but I have written the question.
No
Yes,
problem. You
ma'am.
can cut it also. No problem. Cut this. Yes.
But ma'am, in my it took whole question in one page.
Cut that. No. Now please don't write until we are not confident. First we will discuss and then finally write afterwards. Yes, Kush, please.
Rahul buys a blanket of 320 rupees.
Buys a blanket of rupees
320.
320. Okay. Then
How many blankets?
how many will
Find the amount of blankets.
find the
Amount of
amount of
10 blankets.
10 blankets. It will be very easy for multiplication.
Yes.
So can you all do with the statement, everyone?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
do it. I'm not going to write it on the board. Do it, solve this, and then tell me the statement. Question number 4, Meer Virani.
Yes. There are 7
First, I want to
days.
listen your full question, then I will write.
There are 7 days in a week. Find out how many days are in 11 weeks.
Okay. There are
There are 7 days in a week.
7 days in a week.
Find out how many days are there in 11 weeks.
Find out how many
Days are there in 11
times.
weeks.
Wait.
Ma'am, can I give an answer?
Just a minute.
Then there are 77 days in 11 weeks.
Many days are there in how many weeks?
11 weeks.
11 weeks. There are 7 days in a week. Find out how many days are there in 11 weeks. So what you will do? 7 multiplied by 11. So you know the direct answer, but I want the statement properly. Write the statement by your own. Laisha, will you try the last one?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer of third one means the statements?
Wait a minute. I have to ask from other students. You
Ma'am, can I say the
wait.
first?
Give me some time. Janya, Can you make the statement for the first this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Tell me.
We have to multiply 320 with 10.
I know you know the बस statement I'm asking कि आप कैसे लिखोगे इसका आंसर?
First we have to write 320 up, then we have to write
Statement, statement.
Wait a
Lines
minute, ma'am.
जो
I'm
अभी तक
putting my book.
yes जो अभी तक आप statement लिखते आए हो और जो lines बना रहे हो उसके ऊपर how you are going to write the statement? दीर्घ Kush, please switch on your camera.
Ma'am, I have taken a screenshot, so that's why I'm.
Okay. Laisha, give me the statement for the first one.
Yes, ma'am. Cost of a blanket is 320
Hmm.
and the number of blanket is equals to 10.
Hmm.
So we have to multiply 320 multiply by 10. Ma'am, the answer will be 3200.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Next.
can I say?
Yes, Bhakti, give me the statement for the fourth one.
Ma'am, I am telling the third one.
Now give me the fourth one. ना fourth में क्या problem है? Dirk, please turn on your camera, Dirk.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
In the fourth one, it will become find out how many days.
How many days are there in 11 weeks? There are 7 days in a week. Hmm.
No, that you have written how days.
How many? How many days? Can anyone give me the statement for the fourth one? Raise your
Yes,
hand.
ma'am.
Yes, Yug.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I can give here.
Ma'am, can I give?
Hmm.
Uh, sorry. The days in a week.
Hmm.
Then it will come
You will say number of days.
number of days in a week.
week.
Then number weeks 11.
So जब आप 7 को ऊपर लिखोगे और 11 को नीचे लिखोगे, will it be easy for you to multiply?
No, ma'am.
So you will say number of weeks first.
Okay, ma'am.
Number of weeks equals to 11 and number of days in a week is 7.
So first we will write number of weeks 11. Then number of days 7.
Uh,
Then we will write total number of days in
in
11
Ma'am.
weeks.
Ma'am, what you have written after many fourth question?
How many days? Can I raise the third one, students? I'm right. Third one is erased. Very slow, Kavisha. Take the screenshot. Number fourth. Oh, sorry, number fifth. Now I am giving you the number fifth question. The monthly fee. Fee, you all know fees. The monthly fee is rupees 2,550 per student. How much fees will a student pay in a year? the monthly fee is 2,500 per student. How much fees will please students, if you are slow in writing, write the questions first, then do the solution later on. How much fees will a student pay in a year? In a year.
Ma'am, you wrote the monthly fee is
The monthly fee is rupees 2,550. एक महीने की फीस एक स्टूडेंट की इतनी है. सो उसी एक स्टूडेंट की फीस साल पूरे 1 ईयर की कितनी होगी? What will be the fees for the 1 year? Suppose you are paying 20 rupees for 1 month. In 12 months, how much you will pay? Same way, if you are paying 2,550 in 1 month. So in 12 months, how much you will pay? Because in a 1 year, there are 12 months.
Ma'am, 29,500.
Let me check the answer. I have not checked. You please do with the proper method, the way we have done the multiplication. And then we will check the answers. 2,550 multiplied by 12. So what is your answer, Priya?
Ma'am, my answer is 29,500.
No, एक बार check करो वापस.
Ma'am, I'm just telling it mentally, not writing.
Mute yourself, Mir. This is the last question. Please copy it down, students.
Ma'am, 30,600.
Yes.
30,600.
Yes, 30,600 is the answer.
My network was
Same way, you can make the story problem based on your shoes. When you are now, it's a practical things which are coming to you. No, one shoe costs rupees this. What will be the price of this much shoes? When you're going to go for buying dress, make the story problem on the dress. When you are going to buy the book set, make the story problem on the book set. So it's coming to your real life now. Okay. Please copy it down. I'm done from my side. We'll send you
No,
the
ma'am,
worksheet
please
based
don't
on
erase it.
I'm not erasing. Those who have done, they can leave. And I will send you the worksheet based on the students.
Bye, ma'am.